Okay guys, fuel pump location on the 2002 Acura RL is going to be in the trunk. All right, under the flooring material that covers the spare tire. And if you look a little more forward, you're going to see metal plating there for Phillips head screws. All right, and it's directly behind the rear seat. All right, so again, in the trunk you're gonna have to remove the matting there to give you better access, and the flooring here, top portion, and it will be right there. It should take about 30 minutes or so to replace a new fuel pump. All right guys, one key out. See you soon. So guys, there are a bunch of fittings that needs to be disconnected once you have removed the screws from here. All right, and as you can see, this one has 3 canister looking covers here. So the question is, which one is it? Is it that one? Is it that one? Or is it that one? We believe it's this one. Stay tuned. So we're looking at the fuel pump here, guys. And there's a hose here that you have to remove from that nip right there. There's also a clip right here that you need to depress and remove, probably with the help of a flathead screwdriver. Of course, your normal connectors up top, and the nuts are actually 10 mil, like those. Be careful not to drop them. And we remove all the nuts are on the periphery, so now we're just gonna lift this out. And guy, here she comes. Just remember, make sure you get all the nuts off before you try to release it. And this is a piece that's going to be, it looked like someone was in here before. All right, so we're going to change that piece, which is a main motor and the strainer. All right guys, and right back at you. And guys, these are the part numbers for the replacement. That's for the strainer. Seem to be a little shorter, but that's the part number. And part number for the pump. Comes with all the fittings. And this should be a plug and play. You have a clip right here. Sorry about the glare. Gonna have to release that. All right, and then we have a hose attached to it. We're gonna transfer that to the new pump. All right guys, so pretty straightforward. Back at you. So guys, we have the motor freed from the assembly. The new kit comes with the hose and clamps. All right. Also, it comes with the cotter pin and a cover. Oh, that's the old cover, sorry. This is a new cover. All right. So the old cover had one piece going all the way around. This one just have that part cut off, so you can just snap it on after assembly. And strainer is off. All right. New strainer is in. All right. And we're gonna just continue with the reassembly, and back at you. And just like that, guys, we have reassembled. I went ahead and I reused the rubber sleeve here because this half one here was not seating correctly, so there it is. New pump, new lease on life, and we'll see how well it performs, guys. So just a matter of getting it back in there, reattaching the connectors, and we should be good to go. And like I said, it seemed as if this one was a used one that was used in there before, so that's interesting. All right, guys.